Welcome to Nr Pedia, and in this video we are going to talk about how to turn on and off dark mode on Facebook. So let's start. First I will show you how to enable dark mode in Facebook app. For that, open your Facebook app and tap on the three-line menu. Scroll till setting and privacy. Now you should see dark mode. Tap on that. Whenever you select the on, the interface of your Facebook app will be changed in the dark mode. So this is how you can change the dark mode in Facebook app. And if you are using your Facebook through any browser, that means on PC, so I will show you how to turn on the dark mode on PC as well. So let's start. So if you are using your Facebook through PC, so log into your Facebook account and tap on account option. Over there, click on display and accessibility. Now click on to change your theme into dark mode. So this is how you can change your theme into dark mode on Facebook. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.